everyone in another video in which we will explain what is Vagrant. Okay, so let's start. Vagrant is a powerful tool for building and managing virtual development environment. It simplifies the process of setting up and configuring virtual machine, make it easier to create a consistent and predictable development environment across different machines. So Vagrant is a software that automates the process of creating, configuring, and managing virtual machine environment. It uses virtualization technology like VirtualBox or VMware to create portable, reproducible, and isolated environment. That means you can easily share your development environment with other developers in ensuring consistency across teams. So VMM or Virtual Machine Management, Vagrant streamline the creation and configuration of virtual machine, abstracting anyway the complexity of underlying visualization platform, development environment consistency. The Vagrant ensure that the developers have the same environment regardless of their operating system, making collaboration smooth and reducing compatibility issues. Reproducibility. Vagrant allow you to define your development environment in a configuration file, making it easy to recreate the same environment on another machine or at a later time. Benefit of using Vagrant: simplified setup. Vagrant make it easy to create and configure virtual machine, eliminating the needs of manual configuration and reducing the chance of errors. Consist environments. So as I say, Vagrant ensures that all developers are working on the same environment. Okay. Improved workflow. By streamlining the setup process, Vagrant allow developer to focus on building their application rather than dealing with environment configuration. For enhanced reproducibility, so Vagrant's configuration file allow you to recreate your development environment on any machine, eliminating the need of manually install and configure dependencies. Vagrant architecture. Vagrant uses a layered architecture that separates the concurrence of virtual machine management, provisioning, and interacting with the host operating system. So as you can see, it is composed from three parts. Vagrant cores. The core of Vagrant is responsible for managing the virtual machine lifecycle, interaction with the virtual machine provider, and executing provisioning scripts. Virtual machine provider. It provides the underlying virtualization platforms such as VirtualBox or VMware, allowing Vagrant to create and manage virtual machines. And the role of the provisioner is configure the virtual machine with software dependencies and other settings necessary for the development environment. So how you can install Vagrant on your machine? So you download Vagrant from their website and you select the correct version for your operating system, run the installation and verify the installation in the end of it with the command Vagrant v to verify if the Vagrant is installed and working properly in your machine. Initializing Vagrant environment. So you need to create a project directory for your project where you will restore your code and Vagrant configuration files. Initialize Vagrant. Navigate to your project directory in your terminal and run the command Vagrant init to initialize Vagrant. Okay. And select a base box. The Vagrant will prompt you to choose a base box which defines the operating system and other basic setting for your virtual machine. So the configuration for a Vagrant box, the Vagrant file provides a way to define and customize the configuration setting for your virtual machine, including the operating system, network setting, and provisioner. So the base box specifies the operating system and other basic setting for the virtual machine. Network configuration define the network settings for the virtual machine, such as IP address and port forwarding and network interfaces. The provisioners specify the script or tools that will be used in installing software dependencies and configure the virtual machine. The provisioning the Vagrant environment. Provisioning is the process of configuring and installing software within the virtual machine, ensuring that it meets the requirement of your development environment. So here we have the shell provisioner. It executes shell scripts to install software configuration dependencies and customize the virtual machine. The chef provisioner use the chef provisioner to automate the platform to configure and manage the virtual machine infrastructure. Pub provisioner leverage Puppet, a configuration management tool to automate the provisioning process, and the Ansible provisioner employs Ansible automation platform to provide and configure the virtual machine environment. Managing Vagrant machine. Vagrant provides a set of commands for managing virtual machine, including starting, stopping, and destroying them, as well as accessing the virtual machine environment. So first you have to start the virtual machine. Use the command Vagrant app to start the virtual machine, provisioning it according to the Vagrant file. Stop the virtual machine by running the command Vagrant halt to stop. Destroy virtual machine. Execute the Vagrant command Vagrant destroy to delete the virtual machine and its associated data. Access virtual machine. Use the command Vagrant SSH to connect to your virtual machine through its SSH and access the shell prompt. So to conclude, Vagrant simplified the process of building and managing consistent development environment, making it easier for developers to work efficiently and collaboratively. Its benefits include simplified environment setup, improved consistency, and enhanced reproducibility. Thank you all for your kind attention, and I hope you like the video. See you soon.